What's up, everybody? It is your girl Shamir Brown coming back with another video. I deleted my funny scene video with my brother. I don't know why. I just did. So the video down below this title will be I will be making fake blood. I'm making this for my mom tonight. I'm gonna do an epic prank on her. It's gonna be real funny. But for right now on, this is part one. Part one for right now on is making fake blood. My mama is not here to do the prank on her right now, so I'm gonna wait until she come home. When she come home, I'm gonna get a nice comfortable spot to set the camera up so the prank can get started. But this is part one, which is making the fake blood. So I'm gonna use some hot sauce, some ketchup. I'm going to pour the hot sauce first, then the ketchup, so basically the hot sauce won't smell, hopefully. And I'm gonna put some water in it, and then I'm gonna put some flour in it. I'm gonna stir it around. So basically all I need for this recipe is a spoon, a cup or a bottle or something like that, flour, ketchup, water, and hot sauce. So I need 6 ingredients to make the fake blood for this epic prank tonight. It is going to be funny, it is going to be hilarious, so make sure you just sit back and watch. I'm gonna pause the video because I don't want y'all to miss any parts while I am in the kitchen grabbing up the ingredients. Okay people, I am back with the bowl, the spoon, ketchup, hot sauce, and big bottle of cold water. So we're going to move this to the floor because I have my camera, which is my phone, against my window in my room, and my phone keep on sliding down and it keep on messing up the camera, the video site view. So we are going to move, well, I am going to move my camera to the floor, and I am also going to move my ingredients to the floor, which is the water, the bowl, the spoon, the ketchup, and the hot sauce. Okay, so I think I should get up a little closer so you can see my face. So I'm gonna move the water up. Okay, I'm gonna move camera over. Sorry if my hand's blocking. Okay, so it is time to make the ingredients. So first, we are going to pour the hot sauce in the bowl. I do not like the smell of hot sauce. It smells up my room. Matter of fact, instead of pouring, I'm just gonna take a spoon of it. It comes out so slow. I'm just gonna make this hot sauce really do look real realistic. I will let you see when I get finished making it. Oh, I got the ketchup on the floor. There should be enough ketchup. I got it on the floor. I'm doing this for y'all, so hopefully you like the video. If you don't, then I don't know what to tell you. Hopefully I get comments, subscribers, and thumbs up on the video. So I'm just gonna mix the ketchup and hot sauce up real good. By the way, this part 2 is going to be coughing up blood prank. That's why I'm making the blood right now. Mix it up real good. Okay. Now it's time for some water. Not a lot of water. Just probably won't. There should be enough water. It's so watery, and that's how I want it, but I want to pour some more hot sauce and ketchup. I'm not going to put all this in my mouth, so don't worry. We could just add a little bit of ketchup. Taste. This is what it looks like so far. I'm about to show you guys. I don't want the video to be so long, so I might just go ahead and show you. This is what it looks like. Come out so you guys can see this. Okay. It really do look like blood to me. So I have to find a good place to hide this piece of evidence. I don't want to really hide it in my room because the hot sauce smells up my room, but it look like I'm gonna have to do that anyway because like I don't have no other spot to put it at. My mama went washing at my sister's house, so yeah, I'm just gonna hide this somewhere up in here. Hopefully it doesn't smell. I'm gonna go ahead and hide it where I can find it because I don't want it to, you know, not be okay. Ugh, I got it on my hands. Ugh, okay. I'm just gonna hide this in my closet. Well, not hide it in my closet. Matter of fact, just hide it under my bed because be so longy. I'm about to drink some water. This some good water, y'all. And I'll catch y'all back later. Peace.